following operator training video on the Hobart model FP41, FP61, and FP62 food processor is a supplement to the instruction manual that came with your food processor. If you have any questions concerning operation, please consult your manual. Your Hobart model FP41, FP61, and FP62 food processors are constructed and designed to give long, satisfactory service, providing they are properly used and maintained. This training video will cover general information, operation, cleaning, and maintenance of the FP41, FP61, and FP62 food processors. The model FP41, FP61, and FP62 food processors may be used for chopping and grinding meat, fish, fruits, and vegetables, mixing sauces, aromatic butter, mayonnaise and soups, grinding nuts, almonds, and breadcrumbs, kneading and mixing dough, and pureeing. The model FP41 is equipped with a 4-quart bowl. Models FP61 and FP62 are equipped with a 6-quart bowl. Models FP41 and FP61 are single speed, while the FP62 has a high and low speed. All models have a separate pulse function. Standard equipment includes one cut mix knife, a spatula, and a bowl scraper with turntable splash guard. Optional equipment includes a whip knife and additional bowls and knives. Also available as an option is a 4-quart bowl adapter kit for models FP61 and FP62. The adapter kit includes a 4-quart bowl, adapter ring, cut knife, bowl cover, and bowl scraper. First, lift the arm up and then rotate it as far back as it will go. Place the bowl on the machine so that the locating pins of the bowl are inserted into the grooves in the bowl recess on top of the machine. Push the bowl all the way down to the base and rotate counterclockwise slightly to lock it in position. Place the cut knife or the optional whip knife on the drive shaft at the center of the bowl and make sure that the knife drops all the way down to the bottom of the bowl. Place the scraper in the bowl with its splash guard position at 6 o'clock. Place the bowl cover on the bowl with the arrow on the bowl cover pointing toward the handle of the scraper, and press the bowl cover down gently until the scraper and bowl cover snap together. Lift the arm and at the same time swing it over the bowl cover. Lower the arm over the center of the bowl cover to secure it in position. The machine won't operate unless the bowl and bowl cover are correctly positioned and the arm is in position above the center of the bowl cover. Once the machine is set up, check to ensure that the cutting blade stops turning within 4 seconds when the arm is swung back away from the center of the bowl cover. And the machine can't be started with the bowl and bowl cover removed, but with the arm swung into position above the center of the drive shaft. If either of these conditions do not occur, contact your local Hobart service office. If your food processor is an FP61 or FP62, here's how to install the 4-quart adapter kit. Always leave the cut whip knife in the bowl when moving it so that the contents don't leak through the tube in the center of the bowl. To remove the 6-quart bowl, lift the arm slightly and rotate it to the rear to clear the bowl. Rotate the bowl slightly clockwise to unlock the bowl locking pins from the base and lift the bowl from the machine. Fit the 4-quart adapter ring into the bowl recess on top of the machine and rotate the adapter ring counterclockwise to lock in place. Place the 4-quart bowl on the machine inside the adapter ring. Place the bowl so that the locating pins of the bowl are inserted into the grooves in the bowl recess inside the adapter ring. Push the bowl all the way down to the base and rotate it counterclockwise to lock in place. Place the 4-quart cut knife on the drive shaft at the center of the bowl and make sure that the knife drops all the way down to the bottom of the bowl. Place the 4-quart scraper in the bowl with its splash guard positioned at 6 o'clock. Place the 4-quart bowl cover on the bowl with the arrow on the bowl cover pointing toward the handle of the scraper. Press the bowl cover down gently until the scraper and the bowl cover snap together. Lift the arm and at the same time swing it over the bowl cover. Finally, lower the arm over the center of the bowl cover to secure it in position. Warning, rotating knives inside machine. Keep hands out. Before using your food processor for the first time, wash all removable parts of the unit in warm, soapy water. The cutting blade is very sharp. Be very careful when cleaning the cutting blade. Rinse thoroughly and wipe dry with a soft, clean cloth. The indicator knob for the FP41 and FP61 has 3 positions. In the off position, the machine is switched off. In the on position, the machine runs continuously. When the knob is turned to pulse, the machine runs until the indicator knob is released. Use the pulse setting for short processing tasks in which a precise result is required. The indicator knob for the FP62 has 4 positions. In the off position, the machine is switched off. In low speed, the machine runs continuously at low speed. In high speed, the machine runs continuously at high speed. And when the knob is turned to pulse, the machine runs until the indicator knob is released. The cut knife and whip knife are manufactured using high-quality knife steel to give a keen cutting edge and effective cutting action. Never leave this type of knife in a wet condition when not in use, and never place it on a stainless steel worktop. Use the cut knife when meat, fish, fruit, vegetables, etc. are to be cut, pulverized, and blended. Use the cut knife also for grinding nuts and breadcrumbs and kneading or mixing dough. Use the whip knife when the product or products are to be blended only. For example, sauces, aromatic butter, mayonnaise, and soups. If the action of the whip knife is sluggish because of the consistency of the product, try using the cut knife instead. The scraper will remove products such as minced meat, which has stuck to the sides of the bowl, and return it to the cutting zone during processing. It can also be used to stir or mix products which don't stick to the sides. The scraper has 4 blades, so it's only necessary to move it through a quarter turn to scrape the entire internal surface of the bowl. To move the scraper, grasp the handle and rotate it either clockwise or counterclockwise until it reaches the stop. The scraper should be fitted at all times, since the blades of the scraper guide the product toward the cut knife even when the scraper isn't activated. A splash guard is fitted to the scraper. Rotate the scraper in order to open or close the feed tube. The machine will operate with the feed tube open. For the best and most consistent results, cut firm products such as meat and cheese into pieces of equal size no larger than 1 inch cube. When processing dry products such as breadcrumbs, place the product into the bowl first, then turn the machine on, then add liquid ingredients. When pureeing, be sure to rotate the scraper to get all the liquid off the sides of the bowl and back into the cutting zone. With the food processor assembled as described earlier in this tape, add your product. For amounts, refer to the capacity chart in your manual. Place the bowl cover on the bowl with the arrow on the bowl cover pointing toward the handle of the scraper. Press the bowl cover down gently until the scraper and bowl cover snap together. Lift the arm and at the same time swing it over the bowl cover. Lower the arm over the center of the bowl cover to secure it in position. For best results, use the pulse setting a few times at the beginning of the processing operation to cut the product into smaller pieces. Then set the indicator to the desired setting. Always leave the cut-width knife in the bowl when moving it so that the contents don't leak through the tube in the center of the bowl. Lift the arm slightly and rotate it to the rear to clear the bowl. Rotate the bowl slightly clockwise to unlock the bowl locking pins from the base and lift the bowl from the machine. The maximum quantity that can be processed at one time and the length of time required for the processing are dependent on the consistency of the product and the kind of result desired. Shorter processing times give a coarser end result, and longer processing times a finer one. Refer to the capacity chart in your manual for details. Warning, turn the machine off and unplug the power supply cord before cleaning. Always clean the machine immediately after use. If leftovers are allowed to dry on the machine, cleaning becomes difficult. Never use steel wool or sharp objects during cleaning of the machine. The surfaces can be scratched, making subsequent cleaning difficult. Never use high-pressure hosing equipment for cleaning, since it can result in electrical or mechanical damage. Dismantle all removable parts from the machine and wash them in warm water and detergent. Rinse thoroughly and wipe dry with a soft, clean cloth. Wipe the exterior of the machine with a damp cloth. Warning, turn the machine off and unplug the power supply cord before doing any maintenance. Inspect the machine to ensure that it's in proper working order. Fit the cut knife or whip knife and then check the following. The machine stops within 4 seconds after the arm has been swung away from the center of the bowl cover. The machine can't be started with the bowl removed and the arm swung into position above the center of the bowl cover. Unplug the power supply cord and check to make sure that it's in good condition with no cracks or cuts, and the blades of the cut knife are in good condition and have a sharp cutting edge. If any problems occur, contact your local Hobart service office before operating the machine. This concludes operator training for the Hobart model FP41, FP61, and FP62 food processors. To obtain service and parts information concerning these food processors, contact your local Hobart service office.